Aisha radiallahu ta'ala anha says, I saw the Prophet ﷺ one day in a very good mood. So Aisha radiallahu anha said, I said to Rasulullah ﷺ, Ya Rasulullah, make dua for me. And so she says that the Prophet ﷺ then raised his hands and said, Allahumma khfir li Aisha. Oh Allah, forgive Aisha. Ma taqaddama min dhanbiha, wa ma ta'akhkhar, wa ma asarrat, wa ma a'lanat. Oh Allah, forgive all of Aisha's sins, the previous ones and the future ones, the secret ones and the outward ones. So Aisha radiallahu anha said, when he made that dua, I was so happy, I smiled, and then I laughed, and then my head dropped in his lap, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So think of the scene, Aisha radiallahu anha in joy in the lap of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he is happy and he's in joy, and he says to Aisha radiallahu anha, Ya Aisha, are you happy because of my dua? She said, how can I not be happy with this supplication? How can I not be happy with this dua? And the Prophet ﷺ says, Wallahi innaha la da'wati li ummati fi kulli salah. I swear by Allah, this is the dua that I make for my entire ummah in every single prayer.